Weighing in at number 10, St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum, a happy plant. This plant is happy. Even if you smell this plant, it works on centers of your brain to make you feel better. You can grow it. I think it's grown throughout the United States. You can grow it, cut like you would a rose, and stick it on your table and smell it. And the smell will actually make you feel happier. It's an effective treatment for SAD, seasonal affective disorder. They've been trying it out against HIV and herpes. It's got powerful antiviral effects, and it's good for arthritis, menopause, and fibromyalgia. And there are people getting rich treating fibromyalgia, not curing fibromyalgia, but treating fibromyalgia, which they don't even know what it is or the cause, because it's not a disease, it's a description of symptoms. Fibro, fibers, myo, muscle, algia, pain. 4 years of Latin. Get this. The U.S. Department of Agriculture tried to wipe it out because it was making the cattle photosensitive. They tried to burn it all out in this country because the cattle were getting photosensitive.
What is that?
Pardon me?
What does that mean?
That means that the cattle, the cows, were becoming sensitive to light. Now, were they doing it for the cows, or were they doing it because it works better, according to Dr. Duke, than Prozac for depression or anxiety? You tell me. In 1984, the German Commission E approved it for mild depression and anxiety. It's the top-selling herb in Germany. The top-selling herb in Germany. It outsells Prozac. If you plant it, it'll grow in all 50 states. Get some seeds, plant it, it will grow. They used to burn it, the American Indian, and use it in order to have visions. It contains a chemical called cineol. It's an aromatic. And that's what comes out of the flowers when you put it on the table and you inhale it, and all of a sudden, hey, I'm feeling pretty good. I don't know why. It has powerful antibiotic and anti-inflammatory effects. It's good for wounds, cuts. As an ointment, you'd have to soak it in olive oil, the plant, not the roots. Soak the plant in olive oil, and after a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, strain it out and use the oil on cuts and burns. It's good for herpes, smallpox, shingles, and chickenpox. Anything having to do with a virus, and also works on Parkinson's disease. Many people use it to stop smoking. I'm not sure exactly the mechanism of how it works. Maybe it makes you feel so good that you don't want to smoke.